Starting around the 1st of May 2023, Axie vastness sort of is exchanging at $7.67 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.43% in truly most recent 1 hour in a sort of huge manner. Axie fundamentally has a very all-out market cap of $890,824,004 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $31,257,277 in an unobtrusive manner. This generally makes Axie limitlessness genuinely positioning at 56 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Axie boundlessness cost expectation end of 2023, what will Axie limitlessness generally be really worth in 2023? Or so they for the most part thought. Is Axie endlessness a fundamentally wise speculation or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in an especially significant manner? Will Axie cost explicitly outperform its unequaled extremely high in an unpretentious manner? These in every practical sense are our Axie boundlessness cost expectations for Axie's future, which sort of is genuinely critical. Axie boundlessness value forecast 2023, which especially is genuinely huge, as per the Axie boundlessness gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Axie cost fundamentally is supposed to basically cross an especially normal value level of $10.89. A normal kind of least value worth of Axie limitlessness toward the finish of the really current year ought to essentially be $10.57 in a significant manner. Besides, Axie can especially arrive at a greatest value level of $11.99 in an extremely significant manner. Axie value gauge April 2023. The Axie vastness figure for April 2023 expects that the Axie may arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme worth of $8.59 with a sort of least cost of around $7.56 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the really normal value, Axie can essentially stretch around $8.35 for April, or so they thought. Axie limitlessness value expectation May 2023. Axie endlessness cost fundamentally is supposed to reach between $8.37 to $8.93 in May 2023, while the typical cost of Axie for the May in a real sense stays around $8.69 a excess value gauge June 2023. With respect to June 2023, Axie vastness is supposed to for the most part arrive at a by and large least value worth of $8.72 in an unpretentious manner. The Axie cost could in a real sense arrive at an all things considered most extreme cost of $9.36 with the sort of typical cost around $9.04, which is genuinely critical. Axie boundlessness value estimate July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Axie limitlessness sort of is supposed to especially be at around an exceptionally least of $8.91 in a significant manner. Axie endlessness cost can truly arrive at a by and large limit of $9.81 with the in every practical sense normal cost of $9.31 in USD in an in every practical sense significant way. Axie vastness value gauge August 2023. The Axie endlessness cost for August 2023 may generally arrive at a fundamentally least worth of $9.27, while the extremely greatest gauge cost in every way that really matters is around $10.18 in an especially huge way. The extremely normal cost for Axie explicitly is by and large anticipated to really reach $9.59 in August 2023, or so they for the most part thought. Axie endlessness value expectation September 2023. Axie limitlessness cost especially is supposed to essentially reach between $9.57 to $10.57 in September 2023, while the extremely normal cost of Axie for the September in every practical sense stays around $9.97. Axie vastness value forecast October 2023. The cost for Axie boundlessness in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $9.77 and $11.07, or so they really thought, while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $10.17, showing how generally is Axie vastness a sort of wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of significant manner. Axie boundlessness value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Axie vastness truly is in every way that really matters anticipated to in a real sense arrive at a sort of typical cost of $10.47, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $11.57 and a truly least of $10.08 in an every practical sense significant way. Axie value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Axie boundlessness is determined to for the most part be at around a sort of least worth of $10.57, which basically is genuinely huge. The Axie endlessness value worth can arrive at a fundamentally limit of $11.99 with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $10.89 in USD. Or so they for the most part thought. Axie endlessness sort of past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been especially diminished by 2.88% in its really current worth, which is genuinely huge. Assuming that we generally look at the kind of current market cap of the Axie with yesterday, you can sort of see that the market cap generally is likewise down, exhibiting how Axie boundlessness sort of past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been explicitly diminished by 2.88% in its ongoing worth in an unpretentious manner. Axie endlessness essentially is confronting an extremely tough time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins, or so they thought. The Axie especially is down to nearly 3.65% in the genuinely most recent 7 days, which sort of is very critical. The coin really is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for especially past in every practical sense. Not many days. The coin could generally have most areas of strength for certainly in any case. We don't by and large figure that it would a beneficial resource in beautiful present moment. So these especially are our Axie limitlessness cost expectations for Axie's future. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Axie generally diminished by 10.881%. Killing an incredible certainly normal amount of 94 cents from its especially current worth. This unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be an especially great all things considered purchase an open door for sort of speedy speculation, exhibiting how Axie vastness value expectation May 2023. Axie boundlessness cost basically is supposed to by and large reach between $8.37 to $8.93 in May 2023, while the typical cost of Axie for the May essentially remains around $8.69 a excess value gauge June 2023. With respect to June 2023, Axie endlessness in a real sense is supposed to sort of arrive at an especially least value worth of $8.72 in a huge manner. The 90 days cost change by and large is around 2.34%, and the cost certainly circled from a truly least typical cost of $7.14 to especially most extreme in every practical sense. Normal cost of $7.71 in the especially beyond 90 days in an unpretentious manner. In truly most recent 4 months, Axie limitlessness sort of has shown a developing pattern, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Accordingly, we basically believe that comparative pieces of the market for the most part were very famous at that period, exhibiting that the Axie basically is down to nearly 3.65% in the very most recent 7 days, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Axie endlessness truly is expanded from 4 months, showing how Axie value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Axie vastness explicitly is gauged to especially be at around an especially least worth of $10.57, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost. The coin in every way that really matters is up by 9.24%, with the greatest truly normal cost of the coin generally was around $8.00